Take a round of breath here. Breathing into your belly, pushing into your hands, your fingertips. See, nice inhale, come all the way up onto your toes. Exhale, generous bend in the knees. We're back to our all fours. Take a round of cat-cow here, inhaling to lift your chest. Exhaling to curl your spine towards the ceiling. See, nice inhale, lift your chest again. Exhaling to curl it back. Now, our next inhale, we're going to lift the gaze. And this time, either with the toes tucked, if it's too intense in the knees, you can always untuck them. We're going to slowly walk the hands towards the front of the mat, reaching only the chest forward, coming to our puppy pose. So you can bring your forehead down towards the mat, melting the chest lower and lower, keeping the hips above the knees, and finding here